I have found a YouTube channel that has uploaded approximately 124 videos and earns at least $250,000 every single month. It gets around 62 million views monthly, and it has approximately 600,000 subscribers. Now, I am going to show you a niche that you can easily rank in. There is no competition in this niche, and I'll guide you step by step through the process in a video. Stay tuned to watch the video where I will show and explain all the steps. Firstly, you need to go to Google Chrome and search for funny short stories. In the image results, you'll find many images related to funny stories. After that, I recommend you to go on Pinterest, where you'll find a variety of stories, including engaging ones, that can provide a lot of content. Download the image that you like, go to New tab and search for Image to Text Converter. Upload the image on this website to convert the image to text. This website will provide the text from the image. After clicking on the Submit button, the site will process it and provide you with the extracted text. Once you have your funny story, proceed to the speech section. I recommend using 11 Labs for this purpose. You can find the link in the description. Now, create an account, and after logging in with your Google account, you'll find many speakers. I recommend using Adam's voice with a soothing effect. After choosing the voice, you'll need to paste the extracted text into the text box and generate the speech. Listen to the voice to ensure it sounds good. If satisfied, proceed to the next step. Now, the most important part of this video. Which type of video can you run for visual? Simply go to TikTok and search for relaxing videos. You can find a lot of videos. Simply copy the video link which you like, and go to snaptik.com. Paste the video URL and download it without watermark. Now, open CapCut, a powerful free editing software. If it doesn't work on your device, use any other editing software you prefer. After opening CapCut, click on Start Editing and import both videos and voice that you created from 11 Labs. Align them in the timeline, adjust the size, and add transitions for a smooth flow. If the video needs improvement, you can use the free effects available. For example, use the leak effect to enhance the video. Click on Apply to Track and confirm. After editing, play the video to check if everything looks good. If satisfied, add a black fade transition at the end. Then, export the video in full resolution. Your video is now ready for upload. Now, upload the video to YouTube and make sure to include 3 shorts daily. This strategy will help your channel grow rapidly. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Keep your ideas for future videos. See you in the next one.